Hello and welcome to the TutorFi classroom. I'm going to show you how to use lists and columns on the whiteboard. I'm going to combine them. For the lists, I'm going to use math step lists as well as math problems for columns. So you can do the same thing with words that I'm doing with these steps. So the first thing you want to do is create some text boxes. And I'll show you from a Google document the original information I'm going to copy and paste into this particular text box once I switch to the Google document. Notice that I have problems side by side. I could have words side by side. I could have sentences side by side. And they look fairly nice here in the Google document. I highlighted the text I'm going to be using. I'm going to use Control-C to copy it. And then when I go back to the classroom, I'm going to paste that into the text box I just created. And notice it doesn't quite look like what I started with. Well, the way to fix this is to break up the information into smaller text boxes. So I'm going to go back to the Google document, just take the first problem or the information in the first column, copy that, and paste it within this new text box. It doesn't look quite like I want it to quite yet, but I will get to that. I'll go back and get the second one. And this will be my second column in effect, just like it is in the Google document minus the lines. I could put in the lines if I wanted to, but they're not necessary. Again, making a new text box next to the one I just made. And I don't quite have columns yet, but when I click within the text box that I've got, I can use the space bar to add blanks. So now I've got a column or a list within a column. This one will work too. The space bar is what we need to use instead of the carriage return. That's a new text box that I don't need. So sometimes it takes a little tweaking to get the spacing the way you want it to. And now to make these more resemble columns, I can move the text boxes next to each other. And now I've got two columns that happen to be math problems with lists for the 3 steps to solve these problems. Thank you for watching.